This looks fully automated, but it isn't. It's a hidden superpower built into your controller. Before we fly, you need cruise control mapped to one of the buttons on the back of the controller. I use C2, but any custom button will work. Once that's set, the rest is simple. Tap Settings, Control. Scroll down to Button Customization. Tap the drop-down menu on button C2. Select Cruise Control. Cruise Control holds a constant speed. It doesn't fly for you. It just removes pressure from the sticks. Push the right stick forward to the speed you want. Press C2 and the drone maintains the set speed. Make a small turn, press C2 again to reset cruise. Then straighten up and press C2 once again. The same applies to height. Change altitude smoothly, then reset cruise. Cruise control smooths motion, but only if you fly smoothly. Pressing C2 once again whilst not touching any other controls will cancel cruise. Cruise control smooths motion, but only if you fly smoothly. Used properly, cruise control gives you repeatable, cinematic movement without automation. If you'd like a simple reference for this, I've put together a short PDF with diagrams showing all the information in this video. The link's in the description below. And if you found this useful, consider subscribing. I've got more short practical tutorials coming soon.